Hi everyone, I'm Kirit Jasani, founder of Crowd Multiplier, and today I'm going to answer a frequently asked question. Should I use hashtag in my Instagram bio section? Since the day Instagram has allowed usage of hashtags inside the bio section, more and more people are using it. But is it good? Is it right? Answer to these questions cannot be simple yes or no. So I'm going to share few rules with you. Rule number 1. Avoid generic hashtags in Instagram bio section. To understand this in detail, let's visit one of my friends Vipul Mali's Instagram profile. Here we are on the Vipul's Instagram profile. He is successfully running an HR consultancy firm called Resume in Ahmedabad. As you can see in his Instagram profile, he has written generic hashtag resume writer. Now let's check his business post a resume on Instagram. There also we can find this generic keyword resume writer. Now assume I am a visitor of this profile and I am genuinely interested or I am genuinely searching for a resume writer. I will click this hashtag and immediately it will take me to various posts where this hashtag has been used. But the content is by all those people who can be competitor of Resume or Vipul Mali, because his own content is not appearing over here, right? So at all cost avoid generic hashtags in your Instagram bio section. Rule number 2. Hashtags inside Instagram bio section don't help in search results. Yes, you heard it correctly. The hashtags used in Instagram bio section don't help you appear in search results. It's a myth. If you use a lot of hashtags in your bio section, they will help you in appearing search results for corresponding hashtag. To understand this thing practically, let's look at my own Instagram profile and experiment it. This is my Instagram profile and these two lovely ladies are my MBA professors. She is Ingita madam and she is Anjali madam. Now let's search resume writer. We had seen this hashtag earlier. The moment I search it over here, I see resume writer as an hashtag or I see other profiles, but the poster resume profile is not appearing over here. If I click this pro resume writer, you can see in this profile resume writer is not used as hashtag, but still this profile is appearing. That means Instagram is scanning only two fields. One is username and another is actual name. Here pro underscore resume underscore writer is username, which we can see here in the link, and professional resume writer is actual name. So with hashtag in your bio section, you don't appear in search results. So you might be thinking that I am all against the hashtags inside the Instagram bio section, but no, not at all. Let me tell you rule number 3. Use only branded hashtags in your Instagram bio section. Yes, use only branded hashtags. Now to understand this, again let's go to my own profile. Here is my profile and my bio section. See, in my bio section you can see I have used this hashtag crowd multiplier. When a visitor clicks on this crowd multiplier hashtag, he will be taken to a page where all content is related to crowd multiplier. What are the advantages in this approach is my competitor are not going to use this keyword ever, and whenever a visitor is clicking on that particular hashtag, they are being taken to my exclusive content only. So remember these 3 rules. Rule number 1, don't use generic hashtags in your Instagram bio section. Rule number 2, don't use hashtags with an intention to appear in search results because it don't help. Rule number 3, always use only branded hashtag in your Instagram bio section. I hope these 3 rules will help you in your Instagram marketing. Thank you and see you soon.